How to fix horizontal or vertical green line on laptop screen on Windows 11. So if you want to fix the horizontal or vertical green line on your laptop on Windows 11, then what you need to do is the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to try an external monitor. If you have one available, basically with this method, you can check if the problem is actually with the laptop screen. Then you can find out further if you have to deal with your graphics card or if you have an intrinsic hardware issue. So if you can connect your laptop to an external monitor and if you see the same line, then it's definitely a graphics card issue. Maybe you have to update it, and that's the next solution, which is updating your graphics card drive. To do so, you need to right click on your Windows button, then head over to the device manager. And after that, you need to expand the display adapters option. Then right click on your problematic graphics and then select the update driver option. Go with search automatically for drivers, and then you need to update your drivers. Once it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, then your problem will be fixed. You need to restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your horizontal or vertical green line on your laptop screen on Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.